I've been asked this question before. What is a word track? Listen, simply put, in closing, a word track is simply a guideline. It's simply some words written on a piece of paper that you should learn that should take you from here down to here. But a word track is just that. It's just some words on a piece of paper. It's you that brings that close to life. It is you that brings that logic to life. It is you that can make the customer feel the close, the point of the close. It is you that builds the sensibility and the logic in the close. Yes, word tracks are important, and I teach you word tracks, but listen to me. I also teach you how to close. I also teach you the art of closing, not just the word track. So by the end of your close, your customers get what's called a aha moment. They get the point of the close, which allows them to move further to making that decision of saying yes to your products.